Dawn breaks over the barn as farmers greet cattle and chickens, check water, and map tasks for the day. Animal care reveals daily challenges from illnesses to injuries, yet routines cultivate compassion and resilient trust. Crop cycles demand patience and precision, from soil tests to irrigation timing and shared harvests. The community shines in markets and cooperatives, where grit meets generosity and farmers mentor each other through tough seasons. The beautiful side appears in sunsets, bountiful harvests, and family stories that prove farming blends sacrifice with purpose.